Hey, beauties and cuties. Yes, I done went and got bougie on y'all. We're gonna do a little unboxing today. And yeah, I know. I still got a whole bunch of rainbow stuff to show y'all. But I got an exciting package in the mail today, or should I say packages. So we're gonna do a little unboxing. And yes, I finally got my computer. So we're gonna see how this works out. I know probably the audio ain't that great, the lighting ain't that great, even the quality of the camera is not that great. But I got a cute little computer. She cute. And I just wanted, this is just a test run to see how everything goes. And I think I figured out a way how to transfer other videos with better quality. So, but just work with me. Please stay with me. And welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Monty's Life featuring beauty. And I hope you're having a good day. Let's get into this box. Now, you're going to see what's in here. I spent a pretty little coin on this. So, let's see here. Box stuffed to the gills, couldn't even close it all the way. And this is my first time ordering. No, excuse me, let me take that back. Let me rewind. This is my second time ordering from this company. And probably due to them launching a new product, that's why it took so long to get to me. I had ordered it on the launch date and I just got it today. And I will never order from the website again. I'll go to Sephora or somewhere else to get it. But here's the box. We got some white styrofoam. Very bougie, very bougie. Gonna take out one thing at a time. But this is the star of the show. This is the star of this box. Yes, beauties and cuties. I got the Riviera palette, which retails for $45. I thought it was going to be $42, but I guess Norvina and Anastasia needed that extra $3. So, yes. Oh, you know me, I gotta smell everything. But here's the palette. Let me turn down this lighting a little bit. Yep, there's the palette. I'm gonna hold on to the brush because I see the brush always falls out. You got to excuse me. I'm getting used to this camera that's on this computer. And I know these lights are oversaturating the colors in this palette. But good gravy, she's beautiful. And, you know, I'll come at a later date with swatches and review. But, oh, yes, it smells like new makeup. Let me see if I turn this light off. Would that help show you the colors? Oh, see, look at there go the brush. No, it's not showing you the true colors because y'all know that pink is pinky pink. And I mainly bought this palette because my name is in here. I don't care what nobody say. I know Monte Carlo has been a piece of land that's been around way before I was even thought about. But I've been to the Bahamas, as I stated before, and Monte Carlo. I feel special. Every time somebody swatch this shade and say it, I'm like, oh, there go my name. But let me put the brush back in it. You know, it comes with the dual-ended brush. And when I feel this part, it reminds me of when I did go on a cruise. You know, the lounging area, the lounge chairs and the pillows. That's what that reminds me of. It comes with a little pamphlet in there, I guess, with the ingredients and stuff and instructions in other languages. But I also got a lipstick. I mean, not lipstick, but a lip gloss set. This was $25. And yeah, I got this. Excuse me. I think I'm allergic to mascara or something because not every time I wear it, but if I wear it for too long, it'd be messing up my eye. But, oh yeah. Yeah, baby. I got the dewy setting spray. And I do have MAC Fix Plus in coconut, and people have been comparing that scent to this. Look at that beautiful bottle. Excuse me, y'all. I'm not used to this camera because everything is in reverse. And as earlier, I usually use my phone to record, and I'm used to that one. But, oops, sorry. There's the gorgeous packaging. I don't know if I should spray it. I don't think I'm going to spray this on my face yet because my eye, y'all see my eye starting to act up already. Oh, yeah. It smells just like MAC Fix Plus coconut. But the mist is very mischievous. I like this. Okay, and this retails for, I think, $26. So I think it's $1 cheaper than MAC Fix Plus. Norvina, Anastasia, y'all too much. But I look forward to using these products. I look forward to using this new computer. So please bear with me. Like I said, beauties and cuties, I have so much to show you guys. I got some more Shop Massé. I want to finish up this rainbow stuff so I can put everything away. I bought some organizational, stuff so I can put everything together. I want to get all my makeup together because right now my apartment is looking like I get PR. No, damn well I don't. But I'll be talking to you beauties and cuties later. And I hope you have a blessed day. And I thank you for watching.